How to update Audacity software. So in this video we'll be learning how to update the software without downloading any updates but just launching the software. First you have to click on the software and launch it. Once when we launch the software, automatically the update will be shown. If not, what you can do is you have to go on help and click on check updates. Once your internet connection is connected, then only this will be shown. So you can see here, these are all the updates will be providing us the features. So here what we'll be doing is we'll be clicking on install updates. So you can see now it is downloading the update software. Now you can see we have a pop-up display for the installation. So here we have to click on yes, and you can choose your preferred language. So I'm going to keep in English. So then you can click on OK. So from here in this setup wizard, you'll be clicking on next. So again, click on next. So this will be your browser location where you want to install. So I'm going to keep as default in C program itself. We'll be clicking on next. Here, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can click on over here, enable it. And if you want to reset the preference, you can do it. So I'm just going to keep it as standard. Then we can just click on install. So you can see here it is showing notification saying that setup is preparing to install Audacity in your computer. So here you have two options. You can automatically close the application once the installation is done, or you can just keep the application open. So I'm just to keep it as automatically close the application. So I don't want the application to be running through background during installation. So I'll be clicking on next. So you can see my application is been closed and the installation is done. So you can enable this if you want to launch the Audacity software by clicking the finish button, or you can manually launch it. So I'm going to enable it, click on finish. Here are some new updates and usage info where I have to accept the terms and conditions. So I'm going to click on accept and continue. So this will be your new update, and if you want to know how the update works, you can click on here and see the video. So in my case, I won't be doing it. So I'm just going to click on OK. So this is how you update your Audacity software through by launching the software itself without downloading any setup. In case if you want to download the setup directly, you can go to Audacity website and just download the versions. However, these softwares are of free versions with full features, so there is nothing to pay for any license. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.